This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Tito Castillo. Stunning views west / plenty of upgrades. 3-bed, 2-bath, 1,500 square feet, plus 250 square feet of balcony west / southeast exposure. Best line, number 5, west / unobstructed intracoastal and ocean views. Features a very modern / open floor plan west / floor to ceiling windows / sliders, plenty of sunlight, an expansive living / dining room, new KitchenAid appliances, and a new LG west / D. Baths have marble floors, countertops, and enclosures. 24x24 white porcelain floors throughout. Freshly painted. 2 parking spaces, 1 assigned, 1 valet. Amenities include an infinity pool, jacuzzi, gym, sauna, steam room,